Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I started through a mail call. I was so excited about it, I forgot to turn my camera on. So I got everything out already. Tell you who it's from. Uncle Bill Melton. Got a lot of cool fishing gear here, which I needed. I needed this pretty badly. I've got some fishing gear. You know, I don't know what I've done with all my stuff over the years, but yeah, I don't know. But this is some stuff that I've needed pretty badly. I got 3 lures here that he sent me that I use pretty often. Almost the same kind of hooks. Let me show you what I got here. Let's see, it's number 8 hooks. With the hooks, y'all, for people who don't do much fishing now, you can use the big hooks like these. These are huge hooks, but you can't catch the smaller fish with them. With big hooks, you can only catch big fish. With the small hooks, like those, you can catch the big and the small fish. That's why I always tend to veer toward the smaller hooks. But these big hooks here, I've actually never seen these before. I don't think they look like catfish hooks, don't they? But they're really thin. Maybe they are for catfish. Wide gap worm is what it says on there. Needle point. Maybe it is for catfish. I don't know. I've never seen any that thin though. But of course, it's been a long time since I've actually got out and buying fishing stuff, which I need to pretty badly. Rooster tail. I used to use these a whole lot. I haven't had any in a while, but I plan on definitely using it. They're super dupers. Now, this one and the next one I'm about to show you is the reason that I kind of veered away from the rooster tails. Super duper, I love using these. And the Cast Master, I love using these. I actually used a little bit bigger ones though. A little bigger than this one. Let's just say 1/8 of an ounce. I used the bigger, little bit bigger ones. That's just because I had been fishing off the bank and I can cast it out further. But these 3, Cast Master, Super Duper, and Rooster Tails, in my opinion, for trout fishing, is the best. That's just my opinion now. I sure do appreciate that, Bill. Got some old plastic worms that I probably won't use, but I do appreciate it anyway, Bill. I think I've only tried these plastic worms one time, and that's been years and years ago. I never had any kind of luck at all off of them, so I just never had tried them again. Steel weights, sinkers. This is a 1/4 ounce. It's the same ones, but they are 1/8 of an ounce each. These are 10 sinkers. They're split sinkers. You can put them on, take them back off if you want very easily. Kind of like clamshell looking type deal. I'll definitely put these to use. And trout bait. What's it say? Salmon Eggs somewhere. Yep. Yeah. Salmon Eggs. Best Bite Salmon Eggs, the Atlas brand. I haven't used these very much. I tried them about like the worms. I tried them years ago. Didn't have much luck out of them. I will put these in my tackle box. I don't know how often they'll get used, but they will go in there, so I put them off to this side. And he sent me a little keychain. And what this is, it's a bottle opener, little fish design. That's pretty cool, ain't it? That's pretty cool. That would make a good design for a flint steel, wouldn't it? Oh yeah. Giving me ideas, Bill. Giving me ideas. It's a keychain. It's got a bottle opener. You like that? Sound effects. It's got a serrated edge in case you need to cut your line or something and you ain't got your knife handy. And a flat screwdriver right here on the end at the tail. That's pretty nice, huh? That is pretty nice. It looks cool too. I'll put that on my keychain. I sure do appreciate it, Bill. I definitely need some more fishing gear. And that's me start on some more. So, yep, I appreciate it. Y'all go check out Bill. I'll put the link to his channel in the description below. So, I guess I'm going to get off here and get started putting this stuff up. First, I got to have me a fire. I got to have me a fire, making me some coffee. So, after that, then I go put this stuff up. I'll see y'all later. Thank you, Bill.